You watching Yurikago Nursery 39 channel and what? Today we are going to do some fun activity called boat egg carton craft. So what we need to use is egg carton. So first we are going to make a little hole on egg carton by cutter. Like this. And then we are going to paint egg carton with color. So I picked my favorite color is red color. So how about you? What color do you like? And next, I'm going to make a boat propeller by using the straw and color paper. And make a hole by hole puncher. Let's see. And I'm going to put the straw inside like this. And after that, I'm going to put the propeller in the boat. And here you are!